Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. In this video, we want to show why the governor of Bauchi State, His Excellency Bala Mohammed, should not withdraw his remarks that we will show Tinubu our true color as demanded by the presidency. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Welcome. And if you're new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, the presidency on Monday asked the Bauchi State Governor, Bala Mohammed, to immediately withdraw what he termed inflammatory remarks on the controversial tax reform bill. The special advisor on media and public communications to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Sunday Dare, made a call in a post titled "Ray, we will show Tinubu our true color," posted on his X handle on Monday. Mohammed had, during a visit to the Government House Bauchi by the Christian community that was led by the chairman of the Christian Association of Nigeria, who paid him Christmas homage, expressed opposition to the tax reform policies initiated by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Governor Mohammed described the initiatives as anti-North and favoring only a section of the country. The governor warned that if the policies continue, the northern region will show the president his true color in response. Dare, in his reaction, said, and I quote, "The recent inflammatory rhetoric of Governor Bala Mohammed regarding the Tax Reform Act and direct threats towards the federal government are unbecoming of his office as a state governor." End of quote. In fact, if you read the whole tweet, Sunday Dare went at length to tell us how much Bauchi has received since the removal of fuel subsidy. Local government have received. In other words, telling us what has Bala Mohammed done with all these huge amounts that are coming into the state coffers. Okay, he wanted to pitch the governor, the people of Bauchi against the governor by listing the amount that Bauchi has received since the removal of fuel subsidy and other reforms of the government. But Dare has not told us how much the federal government that received far more bigger than Bauchi have done, what they have done with the ones, their own ballooned revenue as a result of fuel subsidy removal and all that. He didn't tell us, but he was giving us the list of what Bauchi has received, something like that, which to me is neither here nor there. But one of the things he said is that Bala Mohammed should withdraw that statement, saying that it was a threat towards the federal government. It was not a threat. It was a threat to Bola Ahmed Tinubu as a candidate. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, that in 2027, North will show you our true color. That was not a threat to the federal government. We all went to school. We can read simple English. What Bala Mohammed said. He said the North will show the president his true colors. What remains is his true colors in 2027, when he will be seeking for re-election. It wasn't a threat against the federal government. In any case, the APC are masters in issuing threat. On your screen is a screenshot of newspaper report where the APC threatened Jonathan administration and heaven didn't fall. They threaten Jonathan. They say if the 2015 election is rigged, that they will form a parallel government. Who does that? It's APC. That was more inflammatory than what Bala Mohammed. That was why I say Bala Mohammed has no business withdrawing that statement. APC, if they double down. Even when Jonathan protested against that inflammatory statement by the APC in 2014, ahead of 2015, they said they will form a parallel government. How you can imagine that people that did all this are now considering that Bala Mohammed said we will show the president our true colors? Yes. And what it means that the North will vote him out in 2027. We will use our vote to vote you out. That one is even far more civil than what APC did in 2014, when they were threatening a sitting government. And who determined if the election was rigged? They will be the one to determine if it was rigged. They say if 2015 election is rigged, we'll form a parallel government. That was a threat, direct threat to the federal government of Nigeria. A direct threat to President Goodluck Jonathan. But this one, Bala Mohammed, is talking about that, okay, we said that this your tax reform bill is going to work against our people, and you are still doubling down that it will not. Well, if you don't change it, you will see our true color. And what is not true color is their votes. That's what they will use to show Tinubu their true color. That's what the governor of Bauchi State meant. It doesn't mean any other thing. There's no other, it has nothing to do with the federal government. It's not that they are going to lead insurgency against the federal government. Absolutely nothing in that direction. It is that we are going to show you in 2027 with our votes, with our power, which is our ballot in 2027. Don't forget, it was the North that largely made Tinubu president. If you separate the votes from the North, Tinubu wouldn't be sitting in the Aso Rock Villa today. That's if you remove other shenanigans by the Independent National Electoral Commission. We know how the whole thing, but at least the vote they used to legitimize his presidency came largely from the North. Tinubu lost 2 southwest states, Lagos State and Osun State, to opposition parties. So 4 states in the southwest couldn't have made Tinubu president. It was largely the vote from the North that they coupled together and was able to generate 8.7 million votes, with which he was declared the winner by INEC. Even the southwest, south-south, Tinubu was rejected in the whole of south-south. Forget about all the African magic that happened in River State, and INEC said that Tinubu won that state. And you know that independent tabulation by the BBC, you can go and Google it. BBC independent tabulation using IRIB said that it was Peter Obi of Labour Party that won Rivers. Independent tabulation by Premium Times indicated that Peter Obi won River State. So you can see how difficult it was, even for those who INEC, for them to come up with that 8.7 million votes. So if a Northern leader is saying that we are going to show you our true color, it means that we that voted for you, or the North that gave you the vote, that you were able to manage to get 8.7 million votes. Don't forget that Tinubu is president today with the least mandate in Nigeria's democratic history. Why do I say so? Go and check the result with which Buhari became president, and go and check the result that Obasanjo became president, or the one that Jonathan became president. He became president with the least margin. He got only 8.7 million votes. That's if you believe INEC result. 8.7 million votes. Atiku Abubakar got 6.9 million votes. Peter Obi got 6.1 million votes. Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso got 1.4 million votes. Now, if you tabulate Peter Obi, Atiku, and Rabi Musa Kwankwaso. This almost 15 million votes that voted against Tinubu becoming president. We have never had such a big margin of people rejecting a presidency like we have now. We have now as Tinubu. Because those 15 million votes are those who say we don't want Tinubu to be our president. Meanwhile, it was only 8.7 million votes that said that Tinubu is supposed to be president, which INEC declared him. So you can see that the vast majority of Nigerians never wanted him. So he ought to be not to be operating as if he doesn't care, because his mandate was so narrow, and the people that gave him that narrow mandate, it was the North, if you are to believe the INEC result with which he was declared the winner. So in that case, if a northern governor said, we will show the president our true colors, what it means that we're going to vote you out in 2027. Since this your vote, this your policies is anti-North. Because if you listen to Bala Mohammed, he said that the reform initiative is only working for benefit of a section of the country. That's what he's complaining about. That's what a lot of northern politicians are complaining about. Even the people from Southeast are supposed to be complaining about this too. Because at the end of the day, the Southeast people have not been able to come out to tell us how they are going to benefit in this tax reform. So, but the North has made their own position clear. But that position being made clear doesn't mean anti-federal government. It wasn't a threat against federal government. It was a political threat against Bola Ahmed Tinubu. That's my take. I don't know what you think about this, but whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Do you consider what Bala Mohammed said when he said that the North will show the president his true colors? Do you consider that as a threat to the federal government of Nigeria, or as a threat to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's re-election in 2027? Whichever direction you think that is, do you think he should withdraw that statement? Let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.